Are we in again?
Whoa! Yeah, this is a bit bigger than the...
Jason Jarrett, master fisherman.
That is the first one. Oh,
with a
yes.
perch the size of a hand. How good is that, eh?
We do have some weighing scales, actually.
Do we?
Should we weigh it?
It's
not really
why
worth
not?
it,
No, no, we'll weigh it later. That's got to be the biggest one of the day so far.
Oh yes. Put that through
Right.
on it.
Yeah.
That was the size of one I caught when that boat.
That was, yeah. Right. Oops,
Sorry,
mate. In we go.
There you go, mate.
Gloop.
Thank you.
Splosh.
What, you want to use my fishing rod? It makes no difference what you're using. What's the float? That's all. Last one, right?
Oh.
Oh,
Oh no! We come out.
Come out.
That could have been a carp.
It could have been.
Did it take the lot?
Did you?
No, it just took the
No,
maggot.
just the maggot. Oh, unlucky. Right then. That's alright, it'll be alright like that.
The net is 8 ounces.
8 ounces, half a pound.
I'll remember
Half
that.
a pound. Half a
Okay,
pound
right. So now we need the big perch.
50p.
Half a pound.
50p.
No, half a pound.
Let's get behind you.
What is
This.
Well, it will be, we've been chucking them in.
Ah.
There they are at the bottom. Gloop, gloop, gloop.
Calm down, little boy. There's your lip then, Harry.
Hey.
I'm gonna keep them.
No. I'll put them. Ouch! Cool, he's got sharp fins. I'll
Yeah.
stick these back.
Where's mine?
In the river.
Slimy little sucker.
Yeah, careful with that. I'll get it.
Right, there we go.
Where are you gonna put them?
Oh. Don't be scared.
It's not going to be perfect, but we should get. Sorry,
Good.
mate. Well, 1.5 pounder.
Nice one.
1.5 pound, isn't it?
1.5 pound perch. Lovely.
Get on.
Right.
That's a little
hold on.
one.
And that's a little one.
Where's
That's
mine?
what Dad caught.
Little one's in there somewhere.
Oh yeah, we're going
I've
to
got
put him
him.
back then.
You
Let's
got
watch the big one going back. Oh, there he
What are you
goes.
gonna do with them?
Put them in.
Right.
There you go, mate. There you go on.
And off he goes. There we are.
Oh, my new shot.
Right. There we are, that's the end of the day. And we've got a couple more.
Yeah. Maybe.
Yeah, we've got the world's biggest gudgeon.
Look.
Let's give him a bream, which Jake caught. There we are.
Oh, slippery.
Slippery, very slippery. There we are. And in he goes, splooshing away. Right, and now the gudgeon. Did you find him?
Funny shape.
Yeah, very fat gudgeon. Let's get a good picture of him. Yeah.
That's a bit what we heard.
Yeah,
he's
but he'll be alright. He'll be okay. Yeah. And in he goes. Way gone. Lovely, marvellous. Happy?
Yeah.
Smile. Marvellous.
Let's go.
Okay.